Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Ryan's World Walkie Talkie. Here's how it looks on the package. As you can see, the set comes with 2 walkie talkies. Now let's start opening it. As you can see, the walkie-talkies have nice bright colors like blue and red. And at the back there's an on and off button.
Dad, this is battery. Dad, may I have this battery?
There are many cool features because there are 2 buttons on the front which cause many different sounds and noises.
Dad, this is battery.
And all you have to do to speak is press the side red button.
So guys, now I'm going to do a little demo. See our suspect is running away. I hope you guys liked today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Toys and Box.